Alright guys, this is basically what one of the kits that I sell is going to look like if I mail it to you. Depends on whatever packaging material I've got on hand, but this time I'm just going to pack it with some paper to keep it from rattling around. But this specific customer wanted a separate switch for brights. So this is a toggle switch and it lights up red whenever the brights are turned on. But this is everything that runs clear back to the battery. There's an automotive style relay, and these two connectors connect to the battery. And then this is what powers everything else. And here's the tail light. That's what the tail light is going to look like. And this is just a separate wire that runs clear to the back, so you can run it on the other side of the bike if you want, or whatever the case might be. And he's running a number plate headlight this time. I'm not putting in headlights like I normally do. He got one of those Polysport headlights. So I just sent him everything he needs to solder that right up. And then it will be a nice waterproof connector as well. So that makes it super convenient. And then this is everything else. You got the banjo bolt, the switch, the blinkers, the horn wiring, the relay wire is right there, the banjo bolt, all that's right there. And then this is the horn. That's pretty much all there is to it. Everything's plug and play, everything's wired so that you can only connect it one way. You're not ever gonna fry anything out on one of these just because of how I have it set up. The relay is a different connector from everything else. And then these waterproof connectors, I have them wired so that it's male and female on one side and then female and male on the other, so you cannot plug it in incorrectly. And not to mention, most of them are different pins anyway. Like that one's a 5 pin, this one's a 2. So there's literally no way you can screw this up. Other than you'd want to make sure that you put these on the correct side of the bike. So turn it on before you actually attach them and make sure that you've got them on right. And the tail light also has to be set so that it is wire coming out on the left side. But other than that, I mean, it's super easy, straightforward, nothing you can really screw up on it. And anyway, I've had a lot of people that have been really happy with them, so let me know if you want me to build you one. I've built quite a few now, so and I've been testing it out, and I've got a 2024 YZ450FX on order, so I'll be doing a tutorial on that bike once I actually finally get it in October or something like that, is what they were telling me. So anyway, just thought I'd let you show you guys what it looks like and when I ship it out to people. So